Hello again and welcome back to Easy English Talks. I'm Alex, your podcast host.
And I'm Mia. Today's topic is very important. It's about your health.
That's right. We're going to help you speak English when visiting a doctor, describing your symptoms and asking questions politely.
So if you've ever felt nervous at a doctor's office because of language, this episode is for you.
Mia, have you ever needed to see a doctor in a country where you didn't speak the language?
Yes! I had a stomachache once in Turkey. It was scary. I didn't know how to explain it.
I had a similar experience in Japan, a sore throat and no clue how to say it.
So let's help our listeners. First, what should you say when calling the clinic?
Try this. Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with a doctor, please. Or, I'm not feeling well and I need to see someone.
And they'll probably ask, what's the issue? Or what are your symptoms?
Exactly. Let's practice a few symptoms now. I have a headache. I feel dizzy. I have a sore throat. My stomach hurts. I have a fever.
Say them with us.
Good morning. Do you have an appointment?
Hi. No, but I'm feeling sick. Can I see a doctor today?
Sure. Please fill out this form. The doctor will see you soon.
Hi, I'm Dr. Lily. What seems to be the problem? Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little. I also feel dizzy when I stand up.
Okay, I'll check your temperature and blood pressure. Any allergies?
No allergies.
It looks like you have the flu. I'll give you some medicine and recommend rest.
Thank you, doctor. That felt so real. Now, what if I need to ask for something at the pharmacy?
You can say, do you have anything for a sore throat? Or, can I get something for a cold?
And if the doctor gives you a prescription?
Take it to the pharmacy and say, I'd like to fill this prescription.
Also useful. How many times a day should I take this? And with or without food?
Great phrases, and always ask, are there any side effects? Let's review some key phrases. I have a fever. I feel weak and dizzy. Can I make an appointment? How often should I take the medicine? Are there any side effects?
Repeat them with us.
I have a fever.
I have a fever.
Can I make an appointment?
Can I make an appointment?
That's it for episode 6. English at the doctor's office.
We hope this episode helps you feel more confident if you ever get sick while traveling or living abroad.
Don't forget, being able to describe how you feel is important for your health.
Like, comment, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, what's the hardest English word you've heard at a hospital?
We'll see you next week with another real-life English conversation.